Why am I gonna sneeze? Hey guys, welcome back to another POV. Today I'm going to be heading out to do a rooftop slash nighttime slash sunset photography shoot thing. It's going to be pretty cool. All photos in this video are edited with my presets. £10 in the description will give you 114 presets. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe, notification bell, and hit the like button. Comment down below if you've done it. And let's go shoot. POV, today we are doing a little nighttime shoot slash rooftop. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to show you how to get up, but it's going to be a good one. We're going to be there for sunset and then hopefully a bit of a low light photography as well. But we shall see how it turns out. Oh, we made it, guys. We made it. We are up. We are here. Oh, look at Canary Wharf. I don't know if you guys can see that over there, but it looks sick. You have to stay quiet though, because normally I do rooftops during the nighttime when it's quiet. This is the view I love. Look at that. What a sick view. So from up here, you've obviously got that beauty of a view. You've got the Sky Garden, you've got the Shard, you've got Tower Bridge, you've got Canary Wharf, everything looking pristine and beautiful. You've even got London Bridge in the background. You can even see Westminster from here, and you can just see the tip of Big Ben, which is, it's honestly such a good spot. Now I'm gonna grab out some gear and get shooting because sunset is disappearing. Guys, first up I've got the 24-70 f2.8 on the Sony A7 III, and I've also got a variable ND filter on just because it's on. Might as well use it. So let's bump this up to, let's say, 100th of a second, 125th of a second, get that all squared away. Let's get a bit closer to the edge so we don't have any of the building in it, and we're just gonna perch ourselves here and just get that shot there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Nice simple shot just of the CBD area, the city area, which just looks so good. I'm actually going to do a bracketed shot, so let's throw this into bracketing. I'll do a video on bracketing in the future. Let's bash that out. But in simple terms, what bracketing does is it does one underexposed, one exposed, and one overexposed, and then you combine them in post to give it the image on the screen. Shard looking majestic. And I'm hoping, you can see those shots on the screen, I'm hoping to stay up here after sun sets just to get, just to be able to get it at night time. I've also got my tripod with me, so we're going to get some long exposure stuff as well. So right now I'm going to throw on the 7200. This is Sebastian's lens. I'll link him below. Throw him back in there. I'm going to go straight to 200, and we're going to get Canary Wharf in the mix. We've even got the DLR coming into frame in a moment or two. Love the compression on this lens, absolutely sick. And then obviously you've got Tower Bridge, and then the Shard as well. Just getting some nice simple detail shots. I'm going to get some shots later on. Let's get this shot with the DLR in the foreground as it kind of like just goes past. So again, can't wait for the sun to set eventually. A bit of layers in there. Let's use this as some foreground just to give it more depth, like that. Step back a bit. Can you shoot that way, just quickly? Can you just pretend to shoot? One, get one more. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna push this to 200 and just get London Eye peeking over the top. I'm gonna throw my wide lens on. Okay, so I got it at 14mm. I'm going to come right to the edge so you can't see any of the... Oh, that looks sick. It does look insane, dickhead. Okay, look at the glare off that building, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, that looks so good. I'm just going to throw the 85 on quickly, just to get the glare on that building over there. Okay, get this down to 1.4, push it up. Okay, you can see that nice glare on the screen. The sun is pretty much gone now. It's just setting. You can see it on the building. I'm not sure how clear it is on the GoPro, but it's just setting on the other side of these buildings. I'm going to use kind of some of these as leading lines. I think step back a little bit. Cool. And I'm hoping to get a longer exposure later on with the train. I'm just going to wait around now till it gets dark enough to get some long exposure stuff. It won't be too long now the sun's gone down. It is quite cold. Yeah, the wind's picked up. It's a bit chilly. It officially got a bit darker, which is obviously good for long exposure stuff. So I'm gonna try and get some long exposure stuff now. Okay, so I've got it all on long exposure. I've got the DLR train going through the frame. Hopefully it'll cause a bit of light trail. Got Canary Wharf in the background, and I am pretty cold. Tower Bridge is looking pretty sick, but the traffic is moving pretty slow, so to get a nice long exposure you'd need to have a very long shutter speed, so probably around 40 seconds I think would look good. That shot looks pretty cool. I actually just like the city itself, which looks quite nice actually. So let's pop that up. There's also down here, there's a long exposure shot. I don't know why I'm doing that awkwardly, but I could just walk here. There's a long exposure shot down here I'm going to get. At 24 you can have the shard in the background and then some vehicles and cars moving in the foreground, which looks really cool. Okay, so that shot's on the screen now. As you can tell, it looks pretty sick. I think I'm going to throw the 7200mm on now, and I'm going to come over this side and try and get the DLR train pulling out of the station, having Canary Wharf. But I think maybe I'll go down that side. I don't know, I think maybe here. So Canary Wharf is there, as you can see me pointing at it. DLR train, beep, 7200, bash. The 7200 off for now, and I've still got the 24-70 on because I think that will be just enough at 70. I've currently got it at 70. I'm just waiting for the train to pull off. When it does, I'm going to hit the shutter. It's on a 2-second timer before the shutter's released, just so I'm not touching anything then when it does obviously fire off the shutter, and it should be nice and stable then as long as I don't knock the tripod. Okay, so the train has set off. I've pressed the shutter. It's on a 30-second exposure, so I'm hoping it'll get the entire journey through the frame and it won't look too shit. We'll see, we'll find out. Okay, you can see that on the screen, and you can see that it kind of worked. I mean, it looks really cool. I think I'm happy with it. One and done. Thank you very much. See if we can get Seb in a shot here. It's really dark over with you. Can't really see you. Okay, full on test here. I've got it at 10,000 ISO. Actually looks alright. Okay, the shots you can see on the screen are shot at 1.4, 80th of a second, ISO 10,000, and I think you'll agree, that's not that bad. Shots I'm going to get. I've just got it balanced on here. I've got the 7200 on, nice little balanced area. Canary Wharf down there, as you can see, nice and zoomed in at 200mm. I've got it at 2.4, let's put it up to 4 seconds and ISO as low as it'll go. I've got it on a timer as well. I've got it on manual focus. I am so cold right now. Okay, let's get it going. Make sure nothing's touching it. And then 4 seconds, and bam, done. I'm happy with that. We get a shot here of the London Eye as well. Not the London Eye, sorry. I'm going to get a shot here of Tower Bridge as well. Let's just balance this on the end like this. You can probably zoom out to about 100mm. It doesn't need to be on that. Let's push it up to f8. Yeah, f8 is good. 5-second exposure. We're going to focus on Tower Bridge itself, like so, and press the shutter. Let the timer do its thing, and then we are golden. Just let it do its thing, and bam, done. Okay, right, I'm going to head home because I'm freezing. Maybe we'll do some shots on the way, but I'm definitely too cold to stay up on this rooftop for much longer.
Literally every single view, apart from Big Ben.
Well, you can see the tip of Big Ben. That was definitely a successful mission. Let's jump into the hashtag and see which photos catch my eye. I think you'll agree it's a pretty sick location, right? Again, all presets used in this video are down in the description. £10 will give you 114. And if you're not already, subscribe, notification bell. And if you have just subscribed, make sure you go down into the comments and say the word done, and I'll come and say hello. Right, let's jump into the hashtag OpticalWander over on Instagram. You can use this hashtag and you get featured on this channel. I'm uploading a video every single day, so therefore you get a day, every single day, you get the chance to get featured on this channel. Okay, throwing a screen record on, we are on the most recent. That's a really cool long exposure shot there from Fuji Foot Photography. I like those a lot. I really do like those. Why am I gonna sneeze? Good lord. Why do I always sneeze when I'm in the hashtag? Oh, sorry. Next one that catches my eye is this one from London Streets. I like the colours on that. It's really nice and subtle. Nice subtle fade. That black and white one's really nice from Sim? Yes, Sim. I can't even pronounce my own name. Sam. Sam Elbertson. Sam Elbertson, that's a great shot. I like it. Scrolling down. Sim. Hello, Sim. Scrolling down. That's a cool creative shot from Shubham. If I can't pronounce your name, I'm not taking the piss. I generally am terrible at pronouncing names. I'm sorry. It's a great photo. I really do like it. It's a nice concept. I think the first person I saw do this was Jordi that guy. Yeah, him. The one with koala in his name. Scrolling down. Let's have a look. That's not to say that yours isn't as good as his, because I actually prefer yours. Shh, don't tell him. Scrolling down. Scrolling. Another black and white one from T_Prime84. I assume you use a prime lens. One last one. Let's do one last one. That's a cool shot from SONY A7iii. I like that a lot. It's a nice, where is Zion National Park? Where is that? Scrolling out. America. I really want to go to more like, you know, I really want to go to more like desert type settings and get some nice dramatic shots. I spent a lot of time in the outback when I was in Australia, and I want to see more of that type of thing. Places like Utah have that, obviously, and hopefully when traveling resumes, we can do that. With all that being said, create more, stress less, and I'll see you, of course, in tomorrow's video, where I've got a nice little comparison video for you between the 50mm and the iPhone 12 Pro. Peace.